Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we have a brand new digital stamp release today. So I'm going to share that with you. So we're going to talk about the new digital image, and then after I'm going to share the brand new Miss Ink release with you. So for our digital release, we have a super fun hop that is starting today at 1 p.m. Central Time. The design team members from our Instagram digital team have come up with a bunch of card examples for you, so you can hop to each of us and leave a comment, tag a friend, follow us on Instagram. There'll be a gift certificate up for grabs as well. So I'd love for you to head on over there. My Instagram is, I'll put it right up here for you so you can see where to find me. I'll also have it linked in the description box. And to celebrate the new release, we have a coupon code for all digital images in the shop. The coupon code is for 20% off, and the code is new release. It's only good for the digital stamp section in the shop. So I want to show you the digital image. So for this digital image, so I called it On the Shelf, we have all these images you can arrange on this shelf. So when you download your files, you will get this image as a one cluster, and you will get all these images individually, plus the shelf. That way you can rearrange them and create your own look, or you can use these images individually. So if you just wanted to use the teapot and the teacup and make a card, you could do that. It does come with these sentiments as well. So we've got happy everything, sent for you. So some of these are puns because we got a little candle jar. We've got you're my jam. We have a jelly jar. You're more than a mom. You're a friend. You are my best tea. Pair that up with the teapot. And happy Mother's Day. So what I did was I printed this out 4 times on my cardstock, and then I just cut it in half, and then I can cut these in strips. So you can size the digital images, so you can mess with the settings on your printer. If you want to scale down the image, you can do that, or you can print multiples on a page. That's what I normally do, and then I just cut them out into panels and I have them ready for a card, or I cut them out on my brother's Scan and Cut. So this one you can see I sized it down smaller so I could fit it on a slimline card. So that's how it looked before I cut it out. So you can also cut it in a different shape. You can see I printed this one a lot bigger. I probably can make a 5x7 card with that one. So this one here, I decided to make a card with just the birdhouse and the little plant here. And then I used a sentiment. So here's my card. And I used our brand new paper pad. We do now have a paper pad subscription that you can sign up for. And when you sign up for the subscription, you get 18% off, and then you'll get 2 new paper pads every month. So here are the 2 new paper pads. So we've got Best Morning. We've got Best Morning and Fresh Spring. Lovely color palette here. And then I love Coffee Everything. So this paper is one of my favorites too. And what's really neat is there's some cutouts on the inside for this one. So those are the paper pads. If you want to see in detail, I did do a flip through in a previous video. But you can see I used that beautiful spring paper right here on my card. And then here's that image, and I just colored it up. It went very nicely with the colors on the paper. I've added a little flower with my glue gun. I have that Happy Mother's Day, and then it is popped up on some foam tape, and then I added a few sequins. So pretty simple card, but I think it looked really, really great. So you guys can replicate this card very easily. So let's get into the Miss Ink release. I want to share that with you. That coupon code for the digital release that will end in 7 days. When the hop ends, that's when the code will end. Okay, so we have a jungle theme going on. I want you to see these gorgeous stencils. So they go along with the theme. So this one here, look how pretty that is. And let's see, that's called Jungle Vines. I think it's gorgeous. And to me, it looks like you can use this for any theme, really. I mean, it doesn't have to be vines. It's just a pretty background. And this one is so gorgeous. I love this one. And this one is called Tiki Tiles. Isn't that pretty? There's a couple of portraits. We've got the zebra and there's a cheetah. So we've got more than one stencil in here. So it's I believe it's a layering stencil, or maybe you just get the negative. So you got this piece here, so you could put it over your image and kind of like blend around it to do the background. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we've got the cheetah. And then there is also the stripes for the zebra. And then there's the cheetah dots. And then the cheetah dots. But you can use this for like anything. Doesn't this look like you can use this for underwater scenes? That would be really cool. We've got bananas. We've got, what's this one? Tropical Trellis. This is a nice frame. So you can put that on your A2 size card and then have this really cool frame. So it's called Classic Frame. We've got boho blocks. Nice pattern. And then this is on the vine. And I think this is a 3-piece stencil. I know there's more than one stencil in here. So you get to do the vines and then the leaves. Very nice. So look how perfect it would go with the stamp set. So this is called Go Bananas. It features these cute little monkeys, and we've got the vine. There's some bananas in there. Funny sentiments. Thanks a bunch. Love you bunches. Let's monkey around. Hang in there for my little monkey. Let's hang out. It's your day. Go bananas. And then we've got this larger stamp set here, and this one's called Jungle Ruins. And look at this awesome background. And then we've got the gorilla and some palm trees and little monkeys. And the sentiments read, it's your day. Go wild. Or it's your day to go wild. Take a walk on the wild side. It's a jungle out there. So great stamp to use for the background for all of these jungle stamps. We've got Jungle Kids. So we've got kind of like a Tarzan. And we've got an elephant, a gorilla, and some greeneries. We've got the sentiments. You make my heart swing. Get well soon. Happy birthday. Swinging by to say hello. Congrats. Thank you. And fly high. This little stamp here says kids top. So you can have this guy have a top on if you wanted to. This one here is called Jungle Friends. So we've got a snake, a bear, another jungle kid, and then we've got the lion, and then we've got the tiger, and the sentiments, go get 'em, wild about you. I'm so glad to have a friend like you. You're great, wild thing. Friends make everything better. You're mesmerizing, and you are fierce. So we've got a tropical bouquet. Very pretty arrangement. It says, hope your day is beautiful and for a beautiful friend. And then one more that goes with the theme. So we've got Pretty Bird. Aren't they cute? So we've got all these pretty birds, and we've got the sentiments. Talk birdie to me. Two can do it. Just a little toucan of my appreciation. Just a little cod. Like card, and then happy birthday. One bird can't make a pun, but toucan. And then you got some greenery clusters down here and some flowers. So super fun. And then this one here is called Wolf Pack. So a little bit different from the other theme here. We've got really cute little wolves. And then the sentiments, how you doing? Miss you a whole lot. For the strength of the pack is the wolf, and the strength of the wolf is the pack. Happy birthday to howl there, and then I woof you. So super, super cute. So that's the Miss Ink release. I'll have the link to the Miss Ink section in the shop down below. Fun goodies. I just got my nails done. I just think they're so pretty and sparkly. I'm going to a wedding, so I wanted to do my nails. I got them gel with the gel polish on them, so they're nice and hard and they're not going to chip. So hopefully I'm going to take advantage of that and pump out the videos, because a lot of times my nails stop me from making a video because they chip so fast, and I'm like, oh, I can't do a video. My nails are all chipped. Oh, and then you have to take all the nail polish off, and then, you know, yeah. So I like this. So hopefully I can keep my gel nails for a while. So thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.